Hey YouTube, this is DDog281330. In this video, I'll be opening up this Pokemon Blister pack, which contains 3 packs and 1 pin. I'm hoping to get some good pulls out of this. I haven't opened up one of these before, but let's get into it. Tough to open. Huh. There we go. Okay, here's the pin. And that's an X and Y Phantom Forces pack, a Furious Fist, and a Flashfire pack. I'll start with the Flashfire pack first. I'd really like to pull that Charizard Secret Rare out of here. That's a card I just really want to get. I haven't pulled one yet, and I'd think it'd be a really nice card. Probably the top card I would want to get from the set. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay. Got a Trick Shovel, Graveler, Protection Cube, Flabébé, Stunky, Roselia, Binacle, Pineco, Butterfree Reverse Hollow, which is a rare. Always nice to have 2 rares. And the rare is a Charizard, Mega Charizard EX. That is the card I was definitely looking to pull, and I pulled it. It's a really nice pull. I've been wanting to get this for a long time. Can't beat that pull. It's only the first pack, too. Okay, moving on to the Phantom Forces pack. Here's a code card. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Fletchinder, Klefki, Swellis, Roggenrola, Karrablast, Dino, Bronzor, Krabby, Reverse Hollow Yanma, which is a common, and the rare is a Hydreigon Hollow. Another nice pull there. Alright, one more pack left in this blister pack, and it's Furious Fist. Okay. It's a code card. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay. Brava, Tyrant, Full Heal, Electabuzz, Gothita, Pikachu, Clefairy, Drowsy, Reverse Hollow is a Gothitol, which is a rare. It's always nice for 2 rares, and the rare is a Machamp Hollow. So overall, really good pulls. Got this Mega Charizard EX, then 2 hollow pulls, and I actually got a couple of rare reverse hollows, but this card is definitely the best pull out of the pack. Alright, as always, stay tuned for my next videos, and be sure to check out the videos I already uploaded. Put out a decent amount, and please comment on my video. Be sure to subscribe for future videos. Thank you.